Hello and welcome. This is the Casio WS-1800 and I'm going to show you how to set your time, date and other watch functions. So let's get started. First setting I'm going to show you is done whilst in the standard timekeeping mode, and that is shuffling your time format. You can shuffle your time format between 12 or 24-hour time format by pressing the search button, and it will shuffle between 12 or 24-hour time format. When you are in 12-hour time format, the P will be indicated for PM time span. Next setting is muting or unmuting your watch. That is done by pressing and holding the mode button. And now we have muted our watch and it is indicated over here. Let's get back to the standard timekeeping mode, and as you can see, there are no sounds. To unmute it, press and hold it again. And there it is. We have unmuted our watch. Let's get back to the standard timekeeping mode, and you can see we have sound now. So let's enter the settings menu. Press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep, and there was the beep. The seconds are flashing, which means that we are in the position of setting our seconds value. You cannot set the exact value, but what you can do is set them to 0 by pressing the search button, and they will go to 0. Basically reset them. Next up, press the mode button, and now we are changing our daylight saving time mode. You can shuffle it between on or off by pressing the lower right button, and while you're shuffling it, there will be also an indicator over here when your DST is on. I'm gonna leave it at off. Next up, press the mode button again, and we are in the position of setting our home city. You can shuffle your home city by pressing the upper or lower right button, hence changing your time zone and your time. My time zone is Paris time zone. Next up, press the mode button again, and now we are in the position of setting our hour value. You can set it again by pressing lower or upper right button until you get it to correct time. That is correct time for me. Press the mode button and we move on to setting our minutes value. Again, procedure is the same, but if you have to scroll fast, press and hold one of these two buttons and it will engage fast scrolling of your minutes value. Once you're set your minutes, press the mode button and we are setting our year. Upper or lower button again shuffles your year value. Once you set your year value, press the mode and we are in the position of setting our month value. Number 3 stands for month of March, but you can shuffle it by pressing the upper or lower right button. Once you finished with that, press the mode button again, and now we are setting our day value. Upper or lower right button will shuffle your day value. Once you set your day value, press the mode button again. As you can see, we are back at the beginning with the seconds flashing, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting the time and date. To implement the settings, simply press the adjust button. The watch will implement those settings and will get you back to the standard timekeeping mode. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.